Mark 38 25mm machine gun system. The Mk38 MGS is a low-cost, stabilized self-defense weapon system that dramatically improves ships' self-defense capabilities in all weather conditions, day or night. Installed aboard 14 different classes of U.S. Navy ships and U.S. Coast Guard cutters, it is used extensively by the U.S. military as well as by NATO forces. The 25mm machine gun system MGS Mk38 is a 25mm automatic gun system that provides ships with a defensive and offensive gunfire capability for the engagement of a variety of surface targets. It is designed to provide close-range defense against patrol boats, swimmers, floating mines, and various targets ashore, including enemy personnel, lightly armored vehicles, and terrorist threats. 1 crewman is required for operation and 2 for maintenance. A major upgrade to the Mod 3 is the system's advanced electro-optical/infrared (EO/IR) sensor, which provides 330-degree surveillance capability in 3 fields of view. The superior optics allow sailors to monitor the seas and respond to threats even in extremely low light conditions, with the benefits of a low contrast, low light level color day camera and an eye-safe laser rangefinder. While the EO/IR sensor system is integrated with the Mod 3 state-of-the-art fire control system, the Mk38 Mod 3 is unique from other naval weapons because its surveillance system moves separately from the gun system, preventing adversaries from easily knowing they have been detected. The Mk38 Mod 3 also provides a range of 2.5 kilometers and selectable rates of fire from single to 180 rounds per minute, and fires all U.S. Navy-approved 25mm ammunition. It can be remotely operated from the Combat Information Center or other protected ship structures, allowing operators to remain safe and out of harm's way. .50 caliber machine gun. The M2 Browning .50 caliber machine gun has touched the battlefields of every major American conflict since the Second World War. The M2 has been in production since 1933, the longest service record of any weapon in the U.S. inventory, according to Gordon Rotman, author of Browning .50 caliber machine guns. Witnessing the downrange effects of the .50 caliber bullet is an eye-opening experience. In World War I, both the French and British possessed large caliber machine guns like the Hotchkiss, but American machine guns only fired rifle-size calibers. American Expeditionary Force Commander General John Pershing believed that the Army needed a heavy machine gun to maintain parity with rival forces. The classic configuration of the Modus is a belt-fed, air-cooled, recoil-operated machine gun. It's nearly 6 feet long and weighs 84 pounds without its tripod and 128 pounds with. It fires up to 550 rounds per minute, but it also can fire single shots. The ammo belt can feed in from the right or left after a few adjustments to the gun. The weapon's effective range is 6,000 feet. But its maximum range is 4 miles.